Hey crafty friend, it is Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the SheMakes.Club. Welcome back to another video. My camera has just been hating on me all week. It's been either dying from a battery or just shutting off. Like, I don't know what the deal is. I gotta work on it. But anyway, I filmed an entire hour and a half of these. It wasn't even that long, but I was filming for an hour and a half for sure, but put these together, everything in my process and a story and the whole 9 yards of doing this 4-page spread using the A Cut Above layout kit. These are my people. It's CC3201 and CC3202 are the kits that I've been using inside SheMakes.Club. And I did a couple extra tutorials to show you all. And what I did, and I figured, well, I'll just go ahead and show you what I'm doing here and then put one more together. I took 4 of the pages from this and decided to create a 4-page little 6x8 spread from our engagement all the way through, and it's going to go like this. So it'll be the story of our engagement, just a quick little, paragraph story of the engagement, like the super, super abridged version of he asked, I said yes, basically. I have to fill that in. And then our wedding day, this is the order, Forever With You, and this is Jamaica. And I put all these elements together, just added little pearls and did the matting, little stickers. Here's the date, kind of the same thing here, pearl, sticker, a little tag with the date, and then continuing. So this is kind of contrasting 1 year. This was a different beach, but still Jamaica, exactly 1 year later on March 19th. Happy together, the whole thing, and then just some dimension to this and sticking them in and kind of making it all come together. Well, we just had our 2-year anniversary on the 19th, and so I made this page thinking I would put a 3x3 photo in here, and I kind of forgot that I said I was going to do that the night we went out for dinner. Go figure, right? So I'm like, okay, well, I just have to adapt. I only got 1 picture of us actually on our anniversary. Go figure, once again. But it's okay, because you know what? This is the actual anniversary day, so I could fake it and put in a picture of him and I, but it really wouldn't be the same. So this is real life. It goes from here, and even though we got the beach both 19th of March, we had sushi, so that's kind of fun. So I'm just gonna kind of reformat this particular page just a little bit so that it can kind of go in my album and continue. So you can see this is definitely not the type of photo that I can do as a 3x3. His hat's already cut off. I don't know how this is all I got. I was more taking a picture of the sushi than even us. But again, real life, real things happen. Sometimes we forget what we're doing. So I'm just going to kind of trim this out a little bit to make it a little bit more suitable for what I'm looking for. I'm just kind of playing. Gonna kind of just trim off the bottom just so it's more on the table, a little bit more in focus. This is gonna change. This is just gonna have to, and I'm gonna have to put new lines down, but I just drew those lines on anyway, and it might actually make it come together even better than originally anticipated. So I'm going to grab my Cricut spatula, and I'm gonna say a prayer that I can peel this sticker up. This is an actual sticker. And we'll let that kind of bend up. I'm going to leave the white there because you can see I have these kind of stacked with some photo matting anyway, so I'm not too concerned about that. So we're just going to take the picture with some ATG, adhere it down, and I'm going to stick it underneath a little bit. I don't like that one. We'll just do the 2. And I'm going to line it up here. Can I move it at all? I can actually move it all together. That would probably be better. I can. Haha, see, pulled out with Cricut spatulas are kind of amazing when you put them to good use. Okay, I just want it to come all the way up to this corner here. That's what's bugging me. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna let the black lines kind of come out from the side there. We're gonna grab this guy. He's gonna come down here instead. All right. And then we're going to do smaller lines. I'm going to grab my ruler again. Let's just grab this one and let that balance it out there. overlap. That's cool. Okay. And then that'll be my little bit of journaling. That's just another element. I have my hearts. Let's see. Do I want to add anything different? I don't think so. So, I mean, I know you didn't see the entire full step-by-step process. However, I think you get a pretty good idea. They're very simple from the kit. I did mix and match my own things in. There are step-by-step instructions if you want to do exactly the close to my heart designs, or, you know, kind of venture off and do your own thing like I do, or go off the inspiration that I provide. I've done several spreads now with this 6x8 kit, and I love my 6x8 albums so much. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little like mini album story of us kind of through the years. So that's kind of how this is going to go, and it's just going to continue on. And this is like the 4-page little spread. I'm going to do one more 2-page 6x8 spread with something that's really important to my husband. So I'll show you that. So this is still from the same kit, CC3201, CC3202. These are my people. This is the 6x8. It's just plain on the back, but you can see the colors coordinate and go together, and you can kind of place them and mix and match them however is important or meaningful to you. There are a couple elements in here that I thought could be really fun to do something more with. So I'm just going to kind of pull some things out here. We have a star and we have a sticker. So these are the 2 photos that I have. This is Nate and I out in our hunting hut. There's been some really amazing marriage type moments out there, and it's actually out behind our house. And we've just enjoyed this together, and we even have coordinating Stronger Together antler wedding bands for when we're doing camping and other outdoorsy things. So I thought I would do a little storytelling about these moments as well. For my 6x8 albums, I always tend to trim down my 4x6 photos. I don't think that it's necessary to have it go edge to edge, although you certainly can. And if it's more of a portrait style, then it doesn't go edge to edge and it's not a problem. But I just always like to trim my photos down to just make them how I want them to appear in my albums. And this one, I thought I would adhere down in this catacorner kind of way. So I just want to trim off the edges once I actually adhere it down. So I'm just going to kind of see how I want this to go. And this is just going to tell a little bit more of the story of why the antlers and the Stronger Together story. So I'll just flip this over and cut off the corner. You can cut it off with scissors too, whatever works for you. I just know I can line it up pretty simple and straightforward with the trimmer. This is gonna go with some adhesive right here. I'm going to adhere this guy down. Let's go all the way over. And then just a little adhesive on the back. And this one is gonna go kind of here, and I'll trim that off again. I'm gonna grab scissors. I'm gonna cut this in an angle going each direction, so it has just a little bit of a crispness to it. I had torn it for the other layout that I did, but I just want to keep it crisp. And that's going to go this way, just so that that yellow kind of sticks out a little bit to tie in. Kind of finishes off that edge a little bit for me. I love these stars. Just feels appropriate to use stars on this instead of hearts. it's fun just kind of showing the process of what, you know, I'm thinking about and putting together. This little grid line piece, I'm just going to trim a little bit of that, and this is going to go right here. So this is a 2-inch square, so I cut it in half at 1 inch, so I have two, like, basically 1-inch pieces available. All right. And kind of just like that, I wrote in and added journaling and just created some very simple 6x8 spreads to tell a little bit of this story. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you really enjoy the moments, and that I'll see you again soon at ByMeganElizabeth.com or at my YouTube channel. Come check us out on Facebook, and please come join us over at SheMakes.Club. You will love doing our live creative workshops, our exclusive tutorials, our SVG and cut files, learning more about your Cricut, and an amazing community to really tell the story that makes your life and make things that matter to you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.